Lucky Duck Building Toys Model Airplane Set -258 pieces DIY Building STEM Projects Toys for kids boys ages 8 to 12 and older. Building Assembly Science Educational Toys Set Gifts for Model Aircraft Fan. Metal Made Our Building Toys Set includes 258 parts and pieces, such as nuts, bolts, small screwdriver, and wrench, etc., made of metal, which can stand rough play without worrying about easy collapse. A great careful crafting STEM building kit, worth paying a little more compared to full plastic versions. White Heavy Checkmark Bigger Size. This model aircraft measures over 4-inch high, 13.8 long, and 15.8 wide, making it a beautiful display piece to show off with pride. I believe it will be bigger than you expect. Really suitable for model aircraft fans and DIY enthusiasts. Lucky Duck Christmas Train Set Toys for Kids. Electric Toy Train Set W/Smokes, Light and Sound include 4 cars and 14 tracks. Train Set Toys Birthday for 3, 4, 5, 6-year-old boys girls. Impeccable 24 PCS Christmas Train Set Toys. Package includes 1 locomotive engine train, 1 passenger car, 2 cargo cars, 14 train track pieces and equipped with exquisite cardboards. Can be composed of elliptical track. Dimension is 39 inches by 47 inches. Starting this train trip requires 3 AA batteries, not included. Locomotive realistic sound and light, odorless smoke, rich atmosphere, fine to every detail, from the chimney to wheels. We are committed to restoring the most realistic train appearance. Under the vividly sound choo-choo and realistic smoke, LED light from the Christmas train toy sets, parents can tell the history of the steam age for children, lead the kids as if to return to the train era.